Hey you guys, today I'll be doing a video tutorial on how I straighten out my natural hair. Please grab a popcorn because this may take a little while, but I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. I just wanted to show you guys the deep conditioner I've been using that gave me this amazing results after my wash day. I just want to show you guys my new favorite blow dryer that I've been using, and I will be setting it to a high heat. But before I add any heat, I am putting my heat protectant to make sure that I don't get any heat damage. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair before I start going in with the blow dryer. And what I do, I blow dry in small sections. It's easier to work with and you get better results. Once I finish blow drying one section, it's nice and straight, I go in with a brush, brush it up so it can be as straight as possible. Then I twist it up and move on to the next section.
I ain't crazy, no. I'm ecstatic, then I'm sad. On the high, then I crash, 'cause you made me so. You come in waves, waves, waves. Every hour, every day, day. You come in waves, waves, waves. You come in waves, yeah. Every hour, every day, day. You come in waves.
Now my hair is all blown out. I'm going to section it off. I'm going to clip up the sides I'm not using, and then I will go into smaller sections with the flat iron, and I'll do about 2 to 3 passes tops, and then move on from there. And remember, you want your sections to be as small as possible so you can get your hair as straight as possible and use minimal amount of heat.
I can see it in your eyes. Yeah, not a trend. Started up. First I love you, then I hate you. I won't dare try to replace you. I ain't crazy, no. I ain't crazy, no. I'm ecstatic, then I'm sad. On the high, then I crash. Cause you made me so. You come in waves, waves, waves. Every hour, every day, day, day. You come in waves, waves, waves. You come in waves, yeah. Every hour, every day, day, day. You come in waves. You come in waves, yeah.
So what I'm doing here, I'm dusting off my ends. I wouldn't recommend you do this while you're, straightening out your hair, but for me, since I'm experienced with trimming my hair, I did it as I went along. So this is a straightening out your hair tutorial, not a combing your hair out of a wrap tutorial. So I had to go ahead and skip that because the takedown was terrible, you guys. I'm not that good at taking down wraps when I wrap my hair up. And this is it, you guys. This is the end result. This is how I straighten out my hair. I do this once a year. I normally go to the hair salon, but this time I just wanted to give it a try by myself. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.